रे काय म्हणता मरे लाईव्ह रेकॉर्ड काय म्हणता मरे ते काढूया मरे
Okay, may I tell us what was this meeting for?
Yeah, so this meeting was basically about the rejuvenation of the Santanes Creek. Like we said, there are a lot of issues related to the creek, sewage influx, garbage issues. So this first meeting was basically what we decided to do is we got all of the departments together. Now what we want to do is we were actually discussing who will be the nodal agency when it comes to, see, we have to float a DPR. We have to appoint a consultant to basically identify each and every point of sewage ingress. We need to find out what the problems are. We need time-bound solutions on each and every one of these. So this is the first meeting that we've had to regarding all of these issues. So now we've set a timeline for maybe 1 to 6 months to basically go through the department procedure, to get a consultant on board and to have their views put forward to us also.
But what is the issue basically? Because in the last 2 days, what has happened there? So what is that issue basically?
Anything fact finding?
No, see now, basically it's the same thing, right? It was low oxygen levels and see there is a lot of sewage inflow that is happening in the creek. Now that is one issue, there is no tidal flow in the creek. There are a lot of issues that are there. So now we've had a consultant here from Chennai who's worked on a similar project over there. They had similar issues to Panjim. There was a lot of sewage that was flowing into the creek, so there was a lot of garbage there. So they took a comprehensive approach and they tackled it from that solution. Right? They got the corporation on board, they got rural development, they got river navigation, they got basically any department that had an impact on that, they got all of those people on board. I had gone to Chennai personally, I think 3 or 4 years back to check and see. And they, from what it was to what it is now, is a huge difference. So what we're trying to do is not impossible, but we need to get it started. There's no, I don't think we've not had a comprehensive approach basically to any of this. Right? So this is step one basically.
But it's about that oxygen level issues and all
No, see, there are a lot of issues with that also. That sewage release, low inflow, and the gates were closed. There are a lot of other problems that were there. So now we have asked them to take Mala Lake, we've asked them to take Lakeview Colony, Santanes, we want to take up issues related to Talegaon, all of those under one estimate, under one thing. But at least we have a plan for now. The consultants say they can do it within a short time frame, but we want to check and see and give realistic expectations to people also. Forward. See, it's a responsibility of absolutely everybody also. We are not saying that only the government, but the people also have a part to play in all this. Right? If you look at see now, why I'm saying also now, there's a lot of sewage inflow, there are colonies involved. We also are supposed to do our part in terms of sealing. I'm not pushing the blame onto anybody else and saying that we are not responsible and nobody is responsible also. Right?
But what is the
sewage connection
of oxygen in that?
The lack of oxygen, that I don't know. That you asked that specific I won't be able to.
पण त्या एरियाक सिवरेज कनेक्शन ना लोकांचे
But
सिवरेज
that's what I'm saying. So
कनेक्शन
that's why we're saying. See, now there are certain areas where sewage department where there are no connections. There are certain areas where there is no possibility of connection because there is no space. So why we want a consultant on board is now because we want to look at each of these specific areas. Now see, for example, again, Kamarbat has no sewage connection. Right? If you look at our Bandh area, recently it is connected, but there are still people who are releasing their sewage. Colonies are releasing their sewage. There are people who are throwing garbage from their windows into the thing. Right? There is no tidal flow. There are a lot of people that are responsible. I am not putting the blame onto one person or everybody. Everybody is responsible, and we want to try and correct the situation.
पण WRD 50 crores spend केलं तुम्हाला
No, see, appointing the see, we are not looking at any short-term solution. It cannot be like putting. See, now the WRD they had put aerators in that thing. It didn't work because sewage is still flowing into the thing. Correct? That issue has not been resolved. Then it will not be resolved with aerators. Now what they have done in all these areas also, now they have looked at, in Chennai they have replanted mangroves, in Chennai they have done a biodiversity park, they have done a lot of these solutions together as part of the thing. It cannot be solved in 6 months or even 1 year. We are looking at a long-term plan, we are looking at 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, that is our plan. See, we are not looking at this thing, we are not looking at a 6 months thing. If it cannot be resolved within, like say, now a short-term solution is not going to work, right? So we're not going to do it. That's basically.
पण रोहित म्हाका सांगता 50 crores स्पेंड केले WRD सगळे रिजनरेट पण त्यांना
No, it
केले
did not work. Now what do you want to tell?
पंपिंग
It didn't work
स्टेशन
means it
त्यांना
didn't work.
घातिल्ले
See the pump. That is what we want to do. See, there was no comprehensive study done. Now they were talking about how GIZ had done a study, how National Disaster had done a study, but nobody has taken. There's no concrete plan has come from that study. Now you'll have done studies, but nothing has happened. So we want to create a plan where we get all the departments together and say now within the next 1 year, 1.5 years, this is what you have to do to solve the problem. Even if it is a corporation ourselves, we have to get timelines to say this is what we have to do. We have to stop sewage from flowing. River, what's the thing? River navigation or WRD will say if they have to descend the mouth of the river so tidal flow is restored. So all of that we're trying to do.
पूण रिजन कितें ते गेटी घालून सुद्दां उदक भायर सोडिना कित्याक म्हणून क्रिकाक
No, so that is for the particular river. No? That is for the particular lake. That they didn't want to release. See, also now it is not correct for sewage to be released into the river. No, you are causing a problem in the river also. So that is what I'm saying. We need a comprehensive approach, right? That is not a solution. Releasing to the river is not a
So
solution.
will CCB take action on those people who are leaving sewage? in the-
Everybody has to do their job. There is a corporation, sewage department, or anything. No, it is time that everyone takes
So
responsibility.
initially it will be closed, the sewage flow will be closed on the.
Once we get the proper out. See now, closing. If there is no network over there, they are incapable. Chennai again, what they have done is now, if they are backward communities or they have low income communities, now those people are poor people. They cannot afford STPs or they cannot afford the infrastructure. So for that, we have to have provisions to be done. So we have to identify each and every one of these areas, and then we have to see. It is a plan. See, what you are saying cannot be done fast. Go and release the thing or go and stop their connection. In the certain housing societies with certain colonies, there are no societies only. Those people are helpless because now there is nobody to take a decision. So we have to address each and every one of those issues.
Under
Rohit-
smart city project.
It's not
there
under
is
smart
the-
cities.
It's not under project.
This is
But
not
that
under- this
area
one-
is connected with underground sewage treatment plant, no?
Which one?
Of that area.
That it is connected, no,
Yeah,
but
so
people are still
sewage
releasing.
can go through
That is
the-
what I'm saying. But we still have, now we have to find out why they're not putting it, no, in the network. What their personal issues are. That we have to resolve also. If they are not going to give them solutions to their problems, then what is the point? They will keep releasing, right? So why I'm saying comprehensive solution is because we need to go to each and every area and see what the problems are in each of these areas and then find a solution. See, people have tried it, has not worked. So there's no point in doing something that is going to work for 6 months and then not work again. No, they are simply going to cause people more trouble. So that I'm not in favor of. Also.
STP plants. So how many such?
That I know, that you are saying.
How
But
many?
What is the condition of
see,
the river?
we've gone to check also now. They are saying nothing is being released. We've checked their thing. It's basically all the contaminants at the bottom that has to be disabled.
Wait, now what is the
पूण पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डान कितें रिपोर्ट
Which
दिला कितले कंटेंट आहा म्हणून
We've taken out all the dead fish and everything also.
Sure,
पूण
and,
पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डान कितें रिपोर्ट दिला कितले
They are
कंटेंट
sending that thing for testing. So that will come in 2-3 days.
रिपोर्ट ऑलरेडी येयलो न्हू
That they are sending for testing. It will take 2 days to come. They've sent already. It will take time for the test to come. So that you take up with the departments. That they will tell
रोहित
you.
म्हाका एक सांग की WRD हांगासर 50 करोड स्पेंड केले वेल प्लॅन करून सगळें केलें सांजनेच केले स्मार्ट सिटीन पयशे मोडले इतले WRDनूच केले तेचे दोन्ही प्रोजेक्ट फेल कशे जाता इतले प्लॅन करून सांजनेच
Now River Sal also,
Sandines
see,
Creek
they
will
are
fail.
using the example of River Sal.
Mala Lake will fail.
One second. They are using the example of River Sal. Now nothing can be done until sewage is stopped into the thing. Was sewage stopped from entering the creek? It does not stop now. So the solution will not be solved. That is basically it. They did a project, they made a mistake, it didn't work out. So now we are looking to see. We cannot explain the logic of what happened in the past. So now we are trying to get it done now.
Somebody has done a mistake.
It was a mistake. If it didn't work, it was a mistake.
But
See, I'm not here to defend any department or whatever it is. If it was a mistake, it was a mistake. Now we want to work
Sewerage-
towards.
sewerage
Such a
connect-
huge amount of money, and then it is a mistake.
It didn't work, no, Baba. What do you want me to tell you? It didn't work.
बट सिवरेज कनेक्शन करनासतना इतले डिसिल्डिंग बिल्डिंग करून इतले पयशे
See,
कित्याक
that is
पडले?
it.
पयले एक्चुअली सिवरेज कनेक्शनां दिवपाक जाय आसलें सगळें इवन सांतिनेज प्लस मळा दोन्ही कडेन एरियेन
Mala is connected. Santini is also connected. There were issues in the Santini's thing and there were issues in the Mala thing. People are still releasing their sewage. So that's what I'm telling you now. So until all of those solutions are met, nothing can be resolved. So we are looking to the future now. See, I cannot, now whatever has happened, we cannot change that. Now we want a comprehensive solution. We want to tell people at least 3 years from now, this is our plan. And we are putting this up for public review so people can also come and check and see.
Every now and then somebody will come do their
परत
things
plan
there,
करतले, परत
work
spend
out,
करतले.
spend huge amount of money, then it goes failed, and then you again say that whatever
See,
happened.
this comprehensive test has not been done only. It has not been done. I'll ask you all, has it been done anyway priorly? It has not been done, right? Where you've taken every single source point of collection, where you looked at every department working together, it has not been done.
No, but there should be some accountability for all these things, no? Because
That can you take up
on your.
You know, that I know.
Nothing there रहता है.
See, Papa, then I can't this thing also no. See, when I say I'm not here to defend anybody, I'm not here to defend anybody. It's how it is now. It's a fact.
मळा एरियाची ती एक्चुअली WRDची हे आशिल्लें न्हू रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी WRDन केलें
lake?
लेक मळा लेक
Yeah, the lake is there thing.
सो बाकीचे कोण पळयतालो ते WRD पळयनाशिल्ले मेंटेनन्स आनी बाकीचे सगळे WRD
Right
पळयताले
now, there is no maintenance happening in the thing. No. You see, they are
So
maintaining
WRD
the
has failed-
outflow. See, they
the
are maintaining. I'm
department
not saying they
failed,
failed. They are managing the outflow and the inflow of the lake. There was a specific issue. The same thing happened some 10-15 years ago, they were saying. So now we have to figure out. No? There are mistakes made and we have to correct the mistakes. That's the only thing we can do now.
So which agency now will be?
See, right now we need to appoint a consultant. Now, since WRD is the owner of the waterway, the RFP and everything will go through WRD. And after that, we have to look for a source of funding. So that will have to come through whichever department. That we have to see. Once
So
we
again,
get
how
it.
much you will spend then?
So it depends on the DPR is, no? If it's whatever the amount is now, we'll have to go through a funding agency. So that is the thing.
Okay.
See, these plans also, no, I'm not saying. Last time the plans were not presented to the public, so nobody knew what is happening. This time what we want is we want proper public consultation. We will release the plans to the public, let people have an input onto what the issues are. If certain aspects that we have chosen are not going to work, then let people give their opinion also. We want a proper consultative process system. So that is the reason why we are having this thing.
सो अंडर स्पीड
ह्या फाटी जेन्ना ती म्हाळा लेक घेतले कामाक खातीर तेन्ना जे इन्फ्लो जाता ऑफ सिवरेज ते पयलीं स्टॉप करतले.
Yeah, that's the thing. So that has to be done first. No?
Yeah.
So the first part also will be stopping sewage from entering the creek. So that was not done, which is why the project failed. See, WRD had done their whatever the requirements after the tender. WRD succeed. They did all of that. They did desilting. They appointed the consultant. Sewage inflow was not part of that thing, which is why it didn't work out. I'm not saying WRD didn't do their job. So as per the tender thing, they did their job. It just didn't work out. So
सो
that is-
आता अंडर CCP जातले का स्मार्ट सिटी
No, this is smart. The smart city just convened the meeting. I mean, through disaster management, convened the meeting. Now we have to give it to an agency to basically see, we have to initiate the file also. Now the file is to be initiated to a particular department. That department will then appoint a consultant, state what the terms of the contract are, what the expectations are. See now, the